I've been using Hastings Direct YouDrive for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's a smart choice for drivers looking to save on insurance in 2025. YouDrive is a telematics-based policy that uses a small plug-in device and a mobile app to monitor your driving habits. Things like acceleration, braking, cornering, speed, and phone usage. The idea is simple: drive safely, and you can earn a lower premium at renewal. There's no curfew, and the app gives you real-time feedback on your driving score, which is genuinely useful for building better habits behind the wheel. But here's where it gets complicated. While the concept is appealing, the execution can be frustrating. Many users, including myself, have experienced issues with the app not syncing properly or failing to log trips, which can unfairly affect your driving score. Some drivers report being penalized for using their phone as a GPS, even if it was mounted and untouched. Others have seen their score drop overnight without explanation, causing confusion and unnecessary stress. In some cases, low scores have led to policy cancellations without much warning, which can damage your insurance history and affect future premiums. Overall, Hastings Direct YouDrive offers potential savings for careful drivers, but the overly sensitive tracking and technical problems make it a mixed experience. If you're thinking about trying it, be ready to actively monitor your score and contact support if anything looks off. I hope this review helped you understand what you're signing up for. If it did, consider supporting the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.